Welcome back everyone to another App Tech Guru tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the InShot Video Editing app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once it is opened up, tap on the search box and now type in InShot to begin your search. Once you find the InShot application, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of this application on your device. Just wait for a while until the process is completed. And once you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. Now, once the application is opened up, you can start creating your projects, making your edits and collage without even signing up if you wish. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the InShot Video Editing app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.